What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you don't know that already, I love all things makeup and beauty. I'm also a mother, so I do apologize if you hear my kids in the background. And then also, if you see, my kids in the background, I usually have a backdrop, but because I rearranged my room, my bed is kind of in the way, I noticed in my last video. So, I mean, we're gonna see how this works out without the backdrop. So yeah, so my setup is different. I did have my baby, so if you hear him in the video, he's a week old, so I mean, you can't really be like, shh. These are the vibes that I am going for today. I actually used my Violet Voss Essentials palette, which I did receive in my BoxyCharm for May. I did not do a May unboxing because I wasn't feeling good and I wasn't filming, but this palette is so beautiful. It's like so pretty. So I did use this palette to create this look here. Oh, I post all of my full and completed looks on Instagram, so you could check me out there. And without further ado, if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. I'm going to start, as always, priming my lid with my P. Louise base. I actually did receive a eyeshadow primer in my BoxyCharm as well, so I was thinking of doing a video comparing the, what is this? This is the Pretty Vulgar eye primer. I wanted to do a video comparing this to the P. Louise base, so if that's something that you're interested in, definitely leave a comment down below and let me know if that's something that you want to see. I also want to do an in-depth tutorial on how I cut my creases, so let me know if you guys want to see those videos, because I definitely, I missed posting, I missed creating content, so let me know what you guys want to see. Alright, now that everything is nice and primed, I'm going to start by taking this Makeup Shack T12, it's a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is called Sand. I'm not going to take too much of this, but I did kind of just want to put something down on top of the base because I didn't want the black to stick really harshly. So I'm just gonna kind of dust this around. Okay, and then next I'm going to take my Morphe M506 and I'm going to take the black in the palette, which is just called black. Whoa, 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 whoa! So I'm going to take that black and I'm going to start to kind of stamp it down. I'm just going to kind of stamp it down and then I'm going to start to blend it into my crease. Next, I'm going to take this brown right here called Cinnamon. I'm trying to do this with one hand because my baby is a week old and spoiled already. So yeah. So I'm going to take this on a Makeup Shack T82 brush and I'm just going to lay it right on that black. And this brush is so nice for the crease. So I'm just going to lay it on that black and also blend it like above the black. I've never tried Violet Voss shadows before and I really like them. They are a little kickbacky, but I don't mind that. The performance is, they blend really well and they're very pigmented and like buttery. very impressed with this palette. So I'm just taking this brown and building it up in my crease and ever so lightly blending it up towards my brow. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here, Terracotta, and I'm going to take this on another fluffy Morphe brush. So I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to start blending that brown out. And then I'm just going to take the fluffy brush we used in the beginning to make sure everything's nice and soft. And then I'm going to go back in with all the colors, starting with the black, to just re-intensify them. Alrighty, so now that I have that on, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this is my P. Louise Basic Brights, and this one is in Hint of Mint. I'm going to quickly go ahead and cut my crease, and then we will come back. So I just cut the crease, and then I tapped the edges out with my finger, and I'm going to go back in with the black and lightly start tapping it on the edges of this wet base. And then I'm going to take this green shade right here called Emerald, which these shimmers are like amazing. Oh god, they're so good. And I always appreciate a shimmer that you could apply with a brush. So watch this. Just look at that. Oh. So I'm going to go back in with the black now and just kind of blend the shimmer. And then I'm going to take my Pretty Vulgar ink gel liner. I'm going to keep it really thin in the front. And then I'm going to make it real thick. Okay, and then now I'm going to go back in with the black and set that liner down. And now I'm going to take my GLF Cosmetics Gold Flakes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of lash glue, put it right above the liner where like the glitter cut crease meets the black. Pat it in a little bit with my finger, and then I just stick this down all on the glue. After it dries for a second, I just basically take my tweezers and like shred it. So those are the eyes. Do my face and I'll come back and finish my eyes. Okay, so my lashes of choice today, I'm going to be taking my Beauty Creation lashes, and these ones are in Drip Drip. So I'm going to start by taking the black and then smoke this right into that liner. And then I'm going to take the brown cinnamon. And then I'm going to take the orangey shade Terracotta. Okay, and then so for my highlight, I used my Jaclyn Hill The Flash palette, and I used this shade right there. And I think I'm just gonna, I think I'm gonna use this shade right here for my inner corner and brow bone. So now I'm just going to throw a lip on and we're just about done. Alright, so here we have the completed look. I just threw on my favorite lip combo of the moment. I really dig the vibes. I'm really getting a lot of like Cruella de Vil like fills from this. But yeah. So these are the whole vibes. I've never tried Violet Voss shadows before, but the formula is amazing. I'm so glad that I got this. And usually I'm kind of like about most of the BoxyCharm palettes. They do always have like really good quality. I just have other more expensive palettes that I prefer to use. So usually like the palettes that I get in my BoxyCharm, I do end up giving them away to like my mom. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. There'll be plenty more where that came from. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, subscribe here, and you know, all that jazz and good stuff. And without further ado, we're going to go ahead and roll the clip.